Yeah, I know it seems every song's about the same old thing, but when you rich, ain't nothing to do but fucking hang. Eat good, spend money, cop trucks and chains. Keep my ladies looking good when they touch the reins. Never fuck with a bitch if she can't be trained, and never leave with a chick if she don't give brain. We can leave on a trip, I got a private plane. I don't fly, but we can park it up and blaze. Those the God, and I know you need something to praise. Just have a little faith, and you could be saved. It's not my fault that they love the kid. Might be the chain or the whip, I don't know what it is. Come on.